kitchen. We organizing. We there the lime today, and we're going on make baked fish and barbecue breadfruit. I don't know if you know about that one, but I'm going to show you how we do it today in a Trinidad kitchen. Right. So first thing, we have our fish here, and we have our homemade season. First season, pimento, garlic, onion. So let's start. Season my fish. Guys, we have plenty to show you, real plenty. But time to come, time by time. Don't let me rush the thing now. I just like to put my season them in and out. Right? Today is a vibes day, We're vibes in. We can vibe hungry as you know how it is set, eh? We have to do something in the kitchen today. This we have a little garlic powder, cinnamon powder a little bit, and our all-purpose season. Right. So let's add some fresh season. And then we're going to make our barbecue sauce. A little ketchup. Mix. If you smell this, already nice already, So we have our bowl here. Remember we tell you this baked fish is going in the oven. I like my fish head, so I am going to throw away my fish head today. Right. Onion, sprinkle. Our pimento, chopped. Our carrots. Guys, this is enjoyable. When I tell you it's enjoyable, it's enjoyable. Because I is one person know when things taste nice or not. And because I'm doing it, yes, but it is delicious. Right. because vinegar does give fish a nice, very nice flavor and prevent from spoil, as I say day to day. Right. How this looking, guys? Right. A little more garlic powder. You know I love that. Nice smell, nice flavor. I don't use okra sometimes, but I ain't using none today. Just carrot and decoration. Right? So we're ready to place in our oven. Yes guys, welcome back. As we tell you, we're doing baked fish and barbecue breadfruit. So time to show you how we're barbecuing our breadfruit. Stay tuned. Breadfruit, it have plenty of purpose. It could roast and fry, it could barbecue, and it could cook to serve with something else. It could make punch too. I will show you sometime how we made a breadfruit punch. In the kitchen today, we make it today. Well, I dip in the breadfruit in. This is our barbecue sauce, a little ketchup, our fresh season and our home season. Yeah guys, I turn in the breadfruit now. As you see, we are on our way to almost eat. And in the meanwhile, yeah guys, welcome back to Jam Cooking. We're showing you our finishing of our baked fish and our barbecue breadfruit. So, join us. Yes, guys, we're sharing our baked fish and our barbecue breadfruit.
I think we'll take care of it.
I like to handle this myself.
No. I'm not going to risk having you after a desperate cut. We're going back to stage. You guys are government least suspected. Keep it simple.
It could be a major problem to them taken seriously. Well, I want to bring you his head.
And we have our fresh salads.